just want to go back off of what Leslie was telling y'all about our wreck. It's very horrible. I've been on the fire department Walnut Cove right here for 6 years. I ran calls that was just somebody ran into a telephone pole and they didn't make it. If anybody wants to see a picture of my Jeep, I'll be more glad to show it to you.
Yes.
But God is so good because we shouldn't have walked away from that. When I woke up, this arm was pinned, my Jeep was laying on it. My left collarbone was broke. I broke my neck, my back. My wife broke her neck, her back. Broke 3 ribs. And somehow I managed to reach back and grab my daughter out. She come out with just a few scratches, but Amanda had to be cut out. But God's just good that He brought us through that. Amanda was in a wreck about 3 months ago. A lady pulled out in front of her. And she told me before we left we was going to drop my truck off at a shop in Lexington and get it jacked up and everything. But she told me she had a weird feeling. And her passenger seat, you know, the airbag, tells you somebody's sitting over there, it was blinking. And she had a bad feeling all the way to Lexington. She was calling people, talking to people, trying to calm her nerves, and sure enough, somebody pulled out in front of her. But she feels like that was the Holy Spirit of God in that car with her, protecting her. It's amazing what He can do. So everything I own says blessed on the front windshield. So it's just amazing.
Come alive, dry bones. That man has been kept alive for a purpose of the Lord. God, hallelujah. Praise God with him. He could have been dead and gone, but right there he stands.
Come alive, dry